So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you have no clue where to start. I got you covered. What's up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and I'm just a regular plain Jane girl who turned her passion for travel into this YouTube channel. Welcome. Today I am going to be sharing how to start a channel, how to start a good foundation for a channel. This is just my own experience. I'm not a famous YouTuber. Like I said, I'm a plain girl, regular. Just decided to start a channel, so I thought I'd share tips, tricks, basically what I did to get to where I am. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Let's just go. Let's go. So in order to start your channel, there's a couple steps. I'm gonna share the steps you need to do and how to do them. So there's kind of two parts, okay? The first thing you need to do if you're starting a channel is find a niche. So find your topic that you want to focus on, whether that's travel and lifestyle like mine, just travel, maybe you're fitness, or maybe you love food and health and you want to make that a channel. Maybe you're a mom and you want to start a mom boss channel. That's awesome. But basically find your niche, find your passion, because you cannot create a YouTube channel unless you have it fueled by passion. Because really, you can't have a channel and you can't sit there and talk to a camera about something that you're not passionate about. So you need to utilize your passion. That sounds kind of magical. Can I get like a magical quote on the screen? The second tip I have for you is based off of finding your niche, and that is to come up with a name. So you need to come up with something that represents you, whether that just be your name, and that's totally fine. Whether you come up with something like Olivia Vlog, like something like that, just come up with something that you love, you're proud of, that you feel like represents your channel. For example, I chose Jetlag Liv, and that is actually based off of a real life event. I was in a long leg part of a trip and I had a layover in China, and I just looked at myself in my front camera of my phone and I was like, oh God, this is rough. Jetlag Liv is out to play. And then it hit me like, that's cool. Like that could be my brand, if you will. So that is how I started mine. Maybe something similar has happened to you and you want to share it. I definitely recommend coming up with something, name that you're really proud of and that is representative to you. Number 3, film with whatever you have. You do not need a fancy Canon G7X. You don't need a Canon camera, a Nikon, whatever kind of cameras they make out there. All you need is the mobile device that fits in your hand, and you can simply create your very first video with the amazing cameras that are installed in our phones. All you need to do is turn on that camera and start your filming. Flip the camera and utilize, you know, the better cameras on the back, and just start filming. Okay, I know what you're thinking. What am I filming on if I have my phone right here? I am filming on a Canon G7X, but I've been doing YouTube for a while now. I made the investment, and actually it was a crazy story as to how I was able to afford this camera. I'll link it up here. But most of my channel is actually, you know, I'm gonna find out. Most of it is filmed with my iPhone, and you'll go back and you'll see 4K videos of mine filmed with the iPhone. So let me see. Okay, I have 64 videos. 41 of them are filmed on my iPhone, and I didn't even have this new iPhone. I used to have an iPhone 7 Plus. So definitely film with whatever you have. You can make great videos and you can enjoy doing it while with your mobile device. Number 4 is, once you've done your video, once you've got your name, once you've got your general brand, if you will, find a consistent posting schedule. This will help you along the way with making sure that YouTube sees your videos, making sure your subscribers know when you're going to be posting. It's really important that they're expecting you to be there. So if you're there and you're on time and you're very punctual with your posting, that will be rewarded in the long game. For example, I try to post every Sunday. I love posting on Sunday. Sometimes I'll post before then if I get eager. But I, for the most part, post every single Sunday, even while in quarantine. Okay, in terms of getting started, my last tip, tip number 5, is to do your thing. Actually, do your thing. Do your thing with like 6 A's, okay? Keep on doing it. I know it's scary. I know people might see your channel, they might try to make fun of you, but if you acknowledge that you're doing whatever you want to be doing and you're putting it on the internet, that will be rewarded. And you should absolutely be proud of yourself. It's a big step to talk in front of a camera. It's not easy either. And if you just want to be like,
hey, this is what I'm vlogging,
blah, 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 like, that's cool. And that's awesome that you want to start a channel. So just do it. Just do it. Okay, so those were the steps on how to get started. Now we're going to go into part 2, which is kind of like how to do it. Does that make sense? Like technical wise. The first thing you need to do is to film. So let's say you filmed your video, you filmed with your iPhone, you're done. Every single iPhone comes with a free app included. It's called iMovie. You'll notice this icon right here. This is how I edit my videos. Yes, I still use this to edit my videos. We recently got Premiere Pro, but I don't really know how to work it. So I still use iMovie to edit all of my videos. It's pretty simple. You can watch tutorials on YouTube, but you can edit them right on your phone. If you have an Apple computer, you can do it on there as well. It might be a little bit easier, but don't fret. Right on the iPhone is easy peasy. Number 3, you need to create a catchy thumbnail. So that's what you see when you see, like this one, when you see a video and the thumbnail looks really cool. That's what draws you in. Guys, that's what the majority of YouTube subscribers and audiences look at, is your thumbnail. That's like your first impression. That's your judging a book by cover, which everybody does and they're doing it too anyway. That's how you do it. So you need to create a really solid thumbnail. I recommend using the app Fonto. That's what I use to create mine. It turns out pretty great. You can also, edit the base picture in Visco. I use Lightroom, photo editing apps. Of course, there are tons of even videos that tell you what apps are great for making thumbnails, but I use Fonto. If you want to be like me, go ahead, use Fonto. Last but not least, upload. Hit that upload button, hit that publish button, and post your very first YouTube video. It's gonna be rough, and just like mine are rough, because you're just sitting there talking to a camera, and that is okay, because it's difficult. But like I said, risk will be rewarded. You'll have something that you're extremely proud of because you started your YouTube channel. Guys, we made it. And you are now going to be able to be proud of your own channel. And I think that is so amazing that you're taking the initiative to, one, watch this video, hopefully get inspired. I don't know, did I do a good job? Comment down below. And then you have your dream come to fruition. If making a YouTube channel is something you've aspired to do and you just haven't done it yet, let me hopefully be your motivation and say, if I can do it, a 23-year-old regular small town girl from Florida can do it, then you can too. That is all I have for today's video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love if you would join me on this journey here. If you liked this video, also give it a big fat thumbs up and let me know that you liked it. Of course, don't forget to comment down below. Say hi, share your favorite tip, maybe leave some inspiration that other people can read in the comments below. I think, oh, that's good. I love that, do that, yeah. Comment some inspo down below for my friends and people that want to see this video down below. That's it, guys. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you start your YouTube channel soon, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Perfect.